Hey everybody, here we are. Happy Easter. Hope everybody's having a great day. I got me a little small project, a quickie. I got me my husband's vice. And it says Rock Island number 574. It's got a plate on it, but I can't really read anything on there, so can't really tell too much about it. I saw Tim Sway. He did a real cool refurbished job on a vise that was locked up and everything, and he did an awesome job. You should go and check it out. He had to work at it, but he made it look good. So I've soaked this and got the rust off pretty much, and today we're going to paint. So I'll talk to you in a little bit and we'll see how it came out.
Goodbye.
Okay, everybody, we got it painted. I got some touch-up I'll have to come and do tomorrow. And some of the, like the bar thing there, I'll have to move it out to get that part in the middle. Wait till it dries, but looks pretty good. Parker's been by my side over here. He's playing around with his table. That was hard to paint that Rock Island right there, and it looks messy, but I'll touch it up tomorrow once everything's dried. And there's Parker's stuff he's got going. He's got a table with some shelves on it, he said he was building. So, anyway, did the Easter Bunny find you, Parker? Yeah? What'd you get in your basket?
I got me a Frisbee and some candy.
Candy, is that the most important thing?
And a piggy bank.
Yeah.
Also a tennis rack.
Yeah, boy, you made out, didn't you?
Yep.
All right, well, listen.
See you later.
Becky and Parker down here at Texas Wood Shop.
See you tomorrow.
Telling everybody Happy Easter.
Bye,
And
kids.
thanks for watching, everybody. We'll let you know how this comes out.
Yep, it look good.
Looks good, Parker says. Bye-bye, y'all.
Bye.